Hello and welcome to another in Start Rescue's series of driver information videos. In this video, you'll learn what all the numbers and letters on the side of your car's tyres actually mean. The sidewall on your car's tyres should have a prominent reading of letters and numbers. The first three numbers to appear in the sequence refers to tyre width, for example 225. This number is the nominal width of the tyre in millimetres, from one sidewall to the other. The next two numbers in the sequence refer to the tyre's profile, essentially the height of the tyre from the rim, represented as a percentage of the tyre's width. Next, there is a letter which indicates the type of construction used within the casing of the tyre, which is very likely to be R for radial construction. Following this is the number for the rim diameter, which could be 18, 19 or 20, representing the size of the wheel rim in inches. Next is the load index number, which is a code for the maximum load a tyre can support when fully inflated. Passenger tyres have load indices spanning from 75 to 105, where each numeric value corresponds to a specific load capacity. Finally, there is a letter between A and Z, representing the speed rating. Each letter denotes the maximum speed a tyre can sustain under its recommended load capacity. You should always check your vehicle handbook for any fault remedy before carrying out any work on your vehicle. If you are unsure of what is required to fix any problems, please consult a professional.